Organizing stakeholder meetings. Product owners may be in need of assistance to build the backlog, and it is a Scrum Master's role to help them achieve this if there are impediments. If the impediment is lack of timely stakeholder input, the product owner will need to ask the stakeholders for such input. Where this is becoming an issue, the Scrum Master may need to arrange and facilitate routine meetings to prompt communication and aid requirements gathering. Stakeholder meetings are held when we have a number of stakeholders with a vested interest in the product who also have conflicting or related views on the requirements. The Scrum Master may organize the meeting to debate the requirements, and the product owner will make the final decision as to which features make it into the product backlog. This can prove tough in reality since the stakeholders can consist of heads of department, product vendors, creative directors, and other people with different but equally important perspectives. To be clear, the Scrum Master is not required to organize these time boxes unless it will solve an impediment for the Scrum team. However, in reality, the constraint of time often requires things to work this way.